Hey, it's Luke here at Good Guys. So I have had a customer call up and ask if he can have a car delivered fresh from Copart. Can we do the repairs on it as a Nissan Leaf? And as we are electric car specialists, we will be doing the repairs. I'll kind of vlog this so you can see how bad it was and we can work out if the customer got a bargain or not. So here it is, Nissan Leaf. Let's look at the mileage. It powers up fine. 88,000 miles. Is that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 bars? So it's lost 2, so the battery health will be about late 70%, 79%. We'll have a little look on Leaf Spy in a bit. That'll have a range, assuming it's a 30 kilowatt hour, of maybe 70 to 80 miles, I suppose. But it will do if you're driving 6 miles or 7 miles to work every day. The damage looks to be just this one corner. You can see it's running some serious camber there. Looks like wing. That will need replacing, door, and there's something going on with the suspension here. Let's jack it up, see what it does. First thing I noticed is there's no locking wheel nut, which is always handy. Or no locking wheel nut key rather. Which is always a bummer. We've got tools, we can do that. Just adds to the cost and complexity. So, wishbone bent, shock absorber bent, outer track arm looks to be okay. Inner's probably bent. Shock's definitely bent. Hoping the wheel arch liner should straighten out. Discs are a bit corroded, but they're going to be. It's an electric car. I want a pair of tyres on the front. Minor really. How does the back look? Corroded discs again, pads are fine. Spring shock, corroded discs, standard. Tow bar fitted, that's unusual because these don't have a tow rating. Assuming that will just be for mountain bike holder, something like that. No nasties from where it's been picked up by fork trucks in Copart. That's quite a standard thing that happens. Oh, there's a little mark there from the fork truck. That's just water. Another thing that breaks on these is quite a lot is the screen wash bottle, but that'll be fine. Screen wash bottles just in there. Oh, I think he's won with this one. Hey, it's Luke here at Good Guys. Job number 1 is to take the locking wheel nuts off because being a Copart car, they very rarely come with locking wheel nut keys. We're using the Würzburg kit. It's lovely. It is a lovely bit of kit. It's completely round, but it's cone shaped. Goes over. Even works with the locking wheel nuts. With the rotating bits on the top. Literally just knock it on, make sure you use the tool. Fortunately, these ones aren't very tight. But it even works on really tight ones. You just have to knock it on to within an inch of its life. Put that in the vise, knock it out. Lots of cleaning on these threads because it doesn't want to come off. Because Nissan are outstanding engineers, they don't put a flat on the back to hold it properly. And then I use WD-40 Specialist Penetrant Get a good spray up and just work it in and out.
What do you reckon, Sam? What do you reckon, Sam? Too far gone?
So we've replaced the wishbone, replaced the shock absorber, managed to rescue the anti-roll link arm. Currently changing the wing. Wheel arch liner out. And wing. Ooh, head on it, front bumper.
I was going to paint the wings and stuff just like that around the outsides, just for the bits that you can see, and then leave the hard bits for Elliot.
Just with a hot air gun, gently, all this shit shield has got a natural place it wants to sit. So I'm not really manipulating it. It's got a place it wants to sit. So you just sort of warm it up gently, and the fold's kind of taken itself out. And there she is. She's done. Panel gaps are good. It's gonna get paint on the front bumper, obviously the wing, and a bit on the door there. But that is for the new the owner to worry about, and whoever's doing the paint. Because I don't do paint work. All I did was blow in the bits that's hard to get to with the wing off, on rather. So like in the door shut there, that's stuff like that. That's why I did the painty paint. But there she is. Cost the customer £500, I suppose, something like that, for all the parts and labour. Yeah, she's good.